Hello children, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today we are going to discuss about the assignment key for the class 10th standard and for the lesson Making of Independence India Constitution, and we have the subtopic CA debates. Coming to the first question children. What were the major arguments of draft constitution? I repeat the question children. What were the major arguments of draft constitution? Clear? So before going to that, let us know about the draft. What is the meaning of a draft here? In the sense, a written document comes under a draft. Clear children? So the first point in this is about a drafting constitution, or the constitution is merely a copy of 1935 Act. The first one is about it is a copy of 1935 Act. Coming to the second one. The second one is about draft does not adapt from more recent amendments or recent constitution. Does not adapt or doesn't adapt recent constitution. In the sense, it has been followed or taken by previous some concerns, some steps where it has been implemented in the constitution also children. It was ignored the centrally of villages and index context. Ignored the centrality of village context. And coming to the fourth one children. The fourth one is members of CA. CA stands for Constituent Assembly. So members of CA are not elected by adult franchise. In the sense, they have been taken or chosen directly. They hasn't gone through elections. Clear children? So these are all the four. The first one is about it is a mere copy of 1935 Act. Second one is about doesn't adapt recent constitution in our times. And next, ignore the centrality of the village. And the last one is about all the people in the Constituent Assembly are not elected by or through adult franchise. Coming to the second question children. How are the ideas of instead of writing, I can go through dictating the question. Yes, coming to the second question, how are the ideas of Seth and drafting committee similar or different? Yeah, the ideas and the arguments which have been raised by D.S. Seth, clear, are common or differ? That is the question. So coming to the answer, it is completely said that Dr. Swarup Seth completely said that it is a mere copy of 1935 Act. That is the first one where discussed in the first question. He argues that all the members in the CA are not elected. Not elected in the sense they have been taken through directly. Clear? Not elected from adult franchise. He opposes centralization. What is the meaning of centralization? Unity. Clear? Mixing. Opposing about centralization of the power. Centralization of the powers. And next one. And next one is about he decides decentrality of power largely. He decides in the sense he willing, accepting, or he is objecting the centralization, and then what he is accepting, decides decentralization of the power. Decentralization of powers. Clear children? I repeat the answer. The argument of D.S. Seth was about the constitution is a mere copy which has been taken from the 1935 Act. That is the first one. Second one is about all the members in the Constituent Assembly are not at all elected. They have been taken directly. And the third one is about he is opposing the centralization of the powers. And the third one is, and last one is about decides decentralization of powers. Clear, children? We are moving to the next question. Coming to the third question. Find out what form of autonomy is now being made available to village after the 73rd amendment of the constitution. Yes, the 73rd amendment, it is very important, children. 73rd amendment, where I am placing a star mark, it is very important, either we may get for 1 mark or 2 marks. So what is that 73rd amendment in the sense? The government, in the constitution or the central government has been gone through giving provisions for the village panchayats. Provision for village panchayats. In the sense, elections can be taken from or by the villages. Clear, children? And second important point in this is about, it has been observed that there was no regular elections in the sense, for every year there is no change of an election season or no change of the position of the person, like panchayat secretary or panchayat head is going to be taken. Providing financial funds are not at all there, and sufficient representation of weaker section is completely cornered, completely concentrated on the weaker section. Why? What is the reason here? Who are all the weaker section in the sense? The people who are dependent on the agriculture and who are below poverty line. Clear, children? For those people, the funds are being given but not regularly, and no regular elections have been conducted. That is about the 73rd amendment in the constitution. Clear, children? I hope you enjoyed this session. Have a nice day. Thank you.